Hey Watch Depot fam, today we've got something really special to unbox. This is the G-Shock GM2100RW-1A, also known as the Rainbow Brick Wall. Let's have a look, shall we? And here we go. Wow, just look at this beauty. Right out of the box, this watch is amazing. Just look at it. The first thing that pops is that vibrant rainbow dial. G-Shock has taken their popular GM2100 with the metal case design and given it a completely new artistic twist. Behind the handset and the LCD screen lays a multicolor graffiti-inspired design, and it is super eye-catching. Now, depending on the angle of viewing, it actually gets a little bit more vibrant in some parts of the dial compared to others. And I really like this section of the dial up here with its orange and red tones. This colorful brick wall texture actually catches the light amazingly and is going to look good from afar or up close. The overall look is playful yet tough, combining G-Shock's signature ruggedness with a splash of fun. Now, like all G-Shock models, it is of course built to last, with shock resistance, 200 meters of water resistance, and magnetic resistance as well. This watch can handle pretty much anything life throws at it. It's got a lightweight resin band there, so you can wear it all day and it's not going to be a problem. On the wrist, this watch really pops. Another model is available with a resin case, but I think this metal case version is a lot better looking. Now, case diameter on this one is 49.3 millimeters, and I know that sounds quite large, but it actually wears a lot smaller than that. And with a thickness of 11.8 millimeters, a sleeve can fit over that, no problems. So if you're looking for a statement piece that can handle anything life throws at it, then check out the Rainbow Brick Wall models from G-Shock. Thank you for watching another Watch Depot unboxing. Give this video a like if you liked it, and I'll catch you in the next one.